Naranasan mo na bang sambitin ang mga ganitong kataga? Sayang, hawak ko na sana eh. Napakalapit na sana sa akin. Kaya lang biglang nawala out of the blue. So close, yet so far. Bigla ko tuloy naalala ang kantang ito. Bawat tanong mo'y iniwasan ko. Akala pag-ibig ko ay di totoo. Diba? Napakalapit na sana. Nasa tabi na sana natin or hawak na sana natin ang isang bagay. So close, yet so far. Kaya lang, pakinggan niyo po ang mensahe ng video ko ito. Some people come into our lives unexpectedly. Some of them create a unique trademark in a unique way. There are instances too, like we are almost there. On the other hand, in just a blink of an eye, everything begins to disappear. So close, yet so far. Simple phrases indeed. As I rest on my bed, a lot of things get into my head. Some significant things in life are just taken for granted. As much as possible, stay alert, careful, and grounded. Never allow yourself to be trapped in a dark room of regrets. Why? It's hard to hold a lifetime sentiments. Moral lesson: so close, yet so far. A powerful phrases that aims to remind us the significance of choosing oneself and self-growth, diba? It also reminds us to be careful in handling our income and resources wisely. Mahirap na eh. Baka po sa dulo, masambit pa natin ang mga katagang. Sayang, hawak ko na sana eh. Napakalapit na sana. Abot kamay na sana. Kaya lang biglang nawala pa. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all.